Hi guys, Ali here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have a KEURING K Supreme Plus C K Supreme Plus coffee machine. So this is a bundle we got. It has 18 K-cup pods, my K-cup and water filter and a handle inside. So this coffee machine, it has lots of features, and it's quite compact, as you can see from the picture as well, like the jugs and all that. It has a multi-stream technology, and you can customize what type of how strong you want your coffee to be, or how black, what you want it to be, hot or cold. You can also, with those customizations, assign it to which people and press the button on top and change to that setting. And it has 78-ounce removal reservoir, so you can put your water and stuff. And then it's gonna brew it. 5 cup size, which means 5 cups for coffee for you to refill. So this looks like quite a nice of a bundle. So you guys can see the box right here. Same thing on the back as the front. So got the bottom and top. So now let's open it. Okay, so first let's open the quick start guide. Let's just slow thing. Do that. Okay, so let's put this aside. So what do we have here? So we have a couple of papers. So this is 50% off of beverages. We'll put that aside. This is my K-cup or something, featuring a multi-stream. This is what this thing is about, and all that. And this is how to maintain your coffee maker. So it has water filters, solution, and a 3-month brew kit. So this is how you maintain it. This could be needy in the long term. And this is before installation: soak for 5 minutes, rinse for 60 seconds, spaced every 2 months, or 60 tank refills. What is this? Okay, we'll find out what this is. So first we got it here. Come here. So read all the instructions. We will. Oh, so it's like one of these. So read all the instructions, warnings, button overview before you brew, button overview and before you view. And this is how you lift and lower it. Okay, so we'll be needing this. This is gonna be handy. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And now let's unveil this. Woo! Wow! This looks very, very cool. Wow, okay, it's not that heavy as you would expect. Wow, so there's like this. If you guys can see, this is where the cup goes. You go like that, and you close it. These are the 3 profiles you can choose from. This is the temperature, size, how much coffee do you want, ice, and this is the power button. It's not plugged in. So now let's untape this slowly. So right now let's take this out. So this is a jug right here. So that's the opening. So this should be the spill tray for like any excess spilling or anything. So yeah. So there's that. And then this is for pumping the water in here. So it's quite nice, I suppose. Let's put this all back. We got that open now. So the cable is, I wouldn't say long. I wouldn't say normal. I would say between. It's short. Yeah, if you have like a plug a bit far down, yeah, it can reach the floor at this height of the table, but like to the wall, yeah, it's kind of short. The cable is kind of short. Okay, so first you also have to clean it. So the steps are: you take this, rinse it, and then you add this, the water filter, the filter, and then you let it soak 5 minutes, and then you start rinsing it for around a minute or so, and then you fill it up and then put it back in, and then you open this. It's gonna open the thing, and then underneath is gonna be a cup over here, and then you gotta press 8-ounce button, then press the brew button, and then it's to start cleansing. Pour hot water into the sink. So first thing, I'm gonna get a mug. I'm gonna rinse this out, then fill it up. I won't fill it up to the max line. I'll fill it up around halfway or a bit more. Then I'm gonna add this, so it's gonna take around, this first 2 steps are most probably gonna take around 10 minutes or 5-10 minutes. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back. Bye.